Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has now accused the Congress party of adopting an arrogant approach towards regional parties opposing the BJP, aiding the rise of the BJP, questioning how secular and democratic voters of the country could trust such a party. Well, the Congress party has now hit back, saying that the Chief Minister is now adopting a pro-BJP stance and by targeting the Congress party. It's CPI versus Congress in Kerala. My colleague Uma Sudhir continues to be with us, but we have a reaction first coming in. Before that, from Leader of Opposition in Kerala, V.D. Satheesan.
Congress ആണ് ദേശീയ തലത്തിൽ ബിജെപിയെ അതിശക്തമായി നേരിടുന്നത്. സംഘപരിവാറുമായി വിട്ടുവീഴ്ചയില്ലാത്ത നിലപാട് സ്വീകരിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് മുന്നോട്ട് പോകുന്നത് ശ്രീ രാഹുൽ ഗാന്ധിയാണ്. എവിടെയാണ് അദ്ദേഹം കോംപ്രമൈസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്? ഞങ്ങളുടെ നേതാവല്ലേ രാഹുൽ ഗാന്ധി. എവിടെയാണ് അദ്ദേഹം ബിജെപിയുമായിട്ട് കോംപ്രമൈസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്? എവിടെയാണ് കോൺഗ്രസ് ബിജെപിയുമായിട്ട് കോംപ്രമൈസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്? ബിജെപിയുമായി കോംപ്രമൈസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്, സംഘപരിവാറുമായി സെറ്റിൽ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത് പിണറായി വിജയന്റെ പാർട്ടിയാണ്, CPM. ഇപ്പം എന്താ പറയുന്നത്? ഫാസിസ്റ്റ് പാർട്ടിയല്ല ബിജെപി. പുതിയ കണ്ടുപിടുത്തമാണ് CPM-ന്റെ.
Let me go to my colleague Uma Sudhir here. It's the CPI versus Congress party here in Kerala once again. And we are learning now, Vijayan is saying that Congress party is aiding the BJP's rise here in the state.
It's like all knives are out between the Congress-led front and the left-led front here, CPM-led front in Kerala, because both of them are accusing the other of acting in a manner that does not help either party or the secular forces, and that both of them are accusing each other of actually helping the victory of the BJP in multiple states. This started with Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan, the Chief Minister, who is also the Politburo member of the CPIM. He has written an article in a newspaper, and where he has in fact accused the Congress of behaving in a very arrogant manner and not respecting or not giving political space to the regional parties, not supporting the regional parties that are taking on the BJP. And he has specifically given the example of Delhi elections as well, where he said that the Congress in the previous elections has not really done well at all. It has in fact not won any seats, and despite that they chose to fight the election alone, and that had led to the kind of outcome that we saw. And the outcome may have been very different if the Congress had instead supported the AAP instead of fighting in this election and in a sense ensuring the defeat of the AAP. Despite the fact that they pointed out there were multiple reasons for the electorate to be angry with the BJP party. He has also pointed out that whether it is a farmers issue or whether it is the case of statehood for Jammu and Kashmir or the case of the CAA, in all those cases, he is claiming that it is the left-front-led alliance that has in fact stood up against the policies of the BJP and opposed many of those policies. The Congress on its part is saying that Pinarayi Vijayan is saying this only because they want the support of the IUML, and the IUML had decided that they will go with the Congress, and Pinarayi Vijayan is now asking them to in fact rethink whether it is in fact Congress which can really take on the BJP in the country. That is the prime question. So what this actually shows is a breakdown in the kind of alliance that the INDA-IA was to take on the BJP. And in many senses, the many contradictions that existed in that alliance are now coming out more in the open. Back to you.